Hello, my name is Ivan. I represent Realika company. Today I would like to show you our sales analysis application for distributors and wholesalers. This example is based on ClickSense platform. However, we can also use Microsoft Power BI and Tableau. With our solution, all your multiple sources are integrated into a single platform. We take on all the dirty work: consolidation, implementation, and verification, bringing you in only to answer questions and fine-tune the application to fit your needs. Our solution enables you to increase sales revenues, profit margins, conversion rates, and all key performance indicators by finding the hidden connection points across your data in real time on a single platform. Let's take a look at how easy it is for user to analyze data and find points of potential growth. We begin by simply selecting the required time period. For example, select 2020, third quarter. Now let's see which clients brought us the most profit in this period by using ABC analysis. Switch to margin and select our top clients. Next, I want to know how we continued work with them. Using LFL analysis, I will compare the fourth quarter with the third. Easily switch to the required period. And I am interested in margin deviation. And I immediately see a drop in some clients. Let's select these clients and see which of our managers work with them. I will select the managers with the greatest deviation and go to the sheet of tasks and check the work of these managers with our top clients. With the help of this table, I will consider in detail the tasks of managers. When I'm filtering tasks by status, I immediately see a large number of overdue tasks. This may be one of the reasons for the drop in our profits for these clients. It is important to constantly monitor the work of managers with top clients. Another reason for the drop in profits may lie in our products and marketing. Let's go back to the LFL and drill down to the product. I see a sharp drop in margin for this particular product. I select it and analyze it separately on the sales price advertising page. To analyze my problem product, I clear all filters except product name. I want to mention that on this page we can analyze the dynamics of indicators from 4 different sources. The dynamics of our prices and the prices of competitors. Dynamics of our revenue and margin. Advertising costs. And cost or supplier price. I select the last 5 months as a period to analyze my problem product. We see that our competitor lowered the price and our income began to fall. Our supplier gave us a discount, but we decided to spend more money on advertising, and we see that it didn't work. If we had noticed this earlier, we could have made more money on sales and saved more money on advertising costs. As you can see, we have identified the companies which brought in less profit and the managers and product that were involved. The application illustrates that there were issues in the marketing strategies with change required in pricing and market placement of the product. With this example, I wanted to demonstrate flexibility. Our application provides a complete 360-degree overview of information in real time from multiple sources. Our team can provide pre-built solutions that are adapted to fit individual client needs or develop custom-made applications from scratch. We take care of the full cycle: development, implementation, testing, user training, and customer support, allowing you to make better data-driven decisions to grow your business. Thank you for your time and attention, and we hope to hear from you soon.